Good morning, guys. Thanks for joining up on the live stream. Xbox, I am not late. The bell just rang. What do you mean I'm late? Get out of here, man. Get out of here. Trying to get me in trouble here, but what's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a great morning. Seriously, thank you, Jamie, Mango, and Xbox. Thank you guys for joining up as always here. Man, I will say this morning we are having a crazy day so far with some of the moves out of some of these China stocks. You know, we have BABA running to the upside in a major way. I mean, man, like when I say major, this is insane the way it's running up. 11.4% up. Oh my gosh. I mean, we're up to 96, almost pushing $100 now. And the news is actually insane. So let's go on CNBC here. It's not... It's a little bit hard to digest. I didn't get to digest this 100% yet. It looks like they're going to be splitting off into 6 different companies, though. I don't know. It says that they have the ability to raise outside funding to go public in each company. So, I don't know. It's a little bit of a weird situation. These are some groups that they'll be doing. Small Commerce Group, Cloud Intelligence Group, Local Service Group, whatever that is, Smart Logistics, Global Digital Service Group, Digital Media. Okay, so I don't know. It seems like a lot of different spin-offs, obviously, of Alibaba, which is interesting and also strange. So I don't know what it's doing, but it says it's designed to unlock shareholder value and foster market competitiveness. So I don't know. It's a little bit of a weird situation here. They could be having 6 different public companies come out of BABA itself. I will say BABA itself has been awesome over the past couple weeks. It's been an amazing stock. Man, like BABA has been just ripping back up. And I don't know if maybe somebody got wind that this was going to be happening, or if something was going to go on with this situation, or if they knew Jack Ma was returning, or if it was just going up just based off confidence or what. But it had actually been having a pretty good month or so. I guess maybe just bouncing off that 80 support is really, I guess, what we could call it. Just a support bounce. But that move today was very significant. And if we can get back above 100, I think that we could have a humongous jump back to the upside. All right. Mark says, yo, good morning, everyone. Good morning, Patrick. Thank you. Thank you, all the lurkers out there. That's funny. Good morning, lurkers. Good morning, Keisha, as well. Thank you guys for joining up. Really, I appreciate each and every one of you. Like Patrick said, I'm not forgetting about the lurkers. I appreciate the lurkers as well. So thanks for being here. Keisha mentioned XPEV. Yes, Keisha. XPEV is actually looking fantastic right here. I will say I might have to call this one out in the Discord. I don't know. This is a pretty crazy setup here. Woo! I love this setup. Wow, that's pretty big, though. I like that a lot with XPEV. Let's go, XPEV. That's awesome. How about NEO, or good old NIO? I know that was Mike's free day trade today, and I was hoping it could pop up with the other China stocks. Kind of is. Ant says, I'm lurking. Bill's lurking. There we go. All the lurkers out here. That's awesome, guys. Thanks for being here with me today. I will say the China stock news is really, I think, what took everything by storm. So that's looking good here. Hopefully, ooh, AMD kept going down. There we go. Meta dying off to the downside here. Under $200, guys. Keep your eyes on the Meta. That is an insane move down here. Let's go. Let's go. That's fantastic. Wow. Meta was my free day trade today under 200. That is an awesome, awesome move. Wow, let's go meta. 198.50, pretty good. Love to see moves like that. Goog's running down. Wow, Goog might test 100 here too. What a move today. Wow, this is something else. Hey, lurkers, Juicy says. I know, right? It's funny. Good old lurkers. No, it's all right to be lurking. You know, sometimes you're busy, you can't type, or sometimes you just want to watch. I guess I feel you. I feel you, lurkers. It helps to definitely comment. Definitely helps us out a lot, but it is what it is sometimes. Wow. Pretty crazy stuff, man. Look at that stock run down. Don't keep doing that. Meta. It's okay if Meta does it. I don't want DraftKings to do it, though. All right, DraftKings. As long as you're staying there, it's okay. Planet 13's not really doing much. How about Mike's free day trade on Neo? I still want that to go up today. Come on, Neo. Let's get up there. META. Love that move down. One of the bigger support breaks here, and if we zoom out actually on this, it looks even better. Even better when you zoom out. Big flush under 200 here. Looking pretty rough. There is some support around 198, so I'll give it that. Also support around 196. So be a little bit careful. 198, 196. Both of those are pretty big areas of support. I don't know if 198 will hold up. It looks like we're definitely getting some little bounces here, but definitely getting some small bounces. Let's lie up the book map on good old Apple here this morning. So it looks like there's some buyers on Apple at 157 even as it starts to trade down here this morning. You can see this big blob there of 28,000 shares, I guess. I don't know. Seems like the sellers are going to push this one down, maybe to 157, if not even lower, as the day goes on, obviously. Man, Apple. Looking brutal here today. Man, Apple. 157.30, 157.25. Oh my gosh, there we go. Wow, today's the day for puts, guys. I up those puts. I'm telling you, it's definitely a put day. That's why we called out meta puts in the day trading channel. Man, I feel like it's just so, the market's just so stuck here. It's like we just cannot get a good move. Whoa. Whoa, why is MNST down 50%? Oh, they had a split. I was like, what the hell? What the hell happened here? I was going to say my Monster Energy is going out of business, guys, but no, it's not. We're all good. It looks good. It looks good. GC says, what are your thoughts on Neo? Let's see. Good old NIO. One of the favorites. I mean, I like Neo. Are you asking me, Juicy, for like a quick day trade, or are you asking me for long term? Let me know which one you mean, because I have a few different ways to play this one today, depending on what you're looking at. Tesla. Wow, that's a bad drop. Microsoft's down, of course. How could we forget them? How could we forget with the rest of the market selling? We had to look at them. AMD 94.45. Looking solid. Looking solid. Love it. Let's go. Wow. I'll tell you what, guys. This market today deserves some claps. Hell yeah. Yeah, I've been waiting so long for some puts like this, and I'm just glad today we're finally getting a big flush down. I mean, we've been waiting for a while on AMD, been waiting for Meta under 200 for a little while. I mean, there's been a lot of these potential plays that we've been waiting for that are now starting to actually look pretty good. So keep your eyes on them. Seriously, I think it'll be awesome. Tesla's under 190, Xbox says. Really? So, yeah, we rejected off 200 again. Big move back down. Looks like there's some support around maybe like 187, 188, but with today's sell-off, I bet we'll go right under. Apple's lurking, Bill says. Apple says, no, I'm not. Stop it. Yeah, look at that. Apple's trying to break, but it just is sitting on support. It's trying. I think it looks like it's going to today. Looks like it's gonna. Let's eye up that book map. I mean, there's not really any overhead orders here until 159, so I don't know. I see this one going lower, to be honest. For now. At least a retest of like 157 would be nice, I think. Let's get back to Apple, though. Maybe we can watch it hit 157 if it goes down here in a second. Looks like it is. There we go. Sit for 15 cents away now. That'll be a 40-cent move before we know it. Yeah, that's brutal, though. 157.15. Not good. Not good one bit. But you know what is good? Is the China stocks, as we've talked about. For anybody just joining up and who missed it, Alibaba splitting off into 6 different possible public companies. Cannot believe it. Looks like there's a bunch of different groups associated with Baba's different parts of their business. So it looks like they're going to be splitting up. I don't know. Sounds insane to me. 6 possible different public companies are going to come out of this. It says each one will have the ability to raise outside funding and go public. So, to me, it sounds pretty insane. Sounds pretty... I don't even know if that's good. Is that even good to me? I don't know, but at least the big thing is that Jack Ma actually got to go home. I saw there's another article of Jack Ma going home. He was seen in China after over a year away, so he returned to China. They're easing on tech crackdowns apparently over there, so maybe that's the main reason why they're going up, because they're easing on some of the crackdowns. But man, Baba really turned over now. Man, they were flying, but intraday now they're really back down. Yeah, like Gengar, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's not even really good that Alibaba's splitting. It's just good that China is relaxing a lot of their rules and their regulations. And like it says here, how did they word this? They said Beijing is easing tech crackdowns that hit business confidence. So that's pretty much what they're doing there. I saw that some stuff was passed, or the government over there decided something. And that's why he kind of came back. So, yeah, China's leadership seeks to regain confidence of entrepreneurs following years of regulatory clampdowns and COVID-19 control matters that battered the private firms. So, I think that that's the main reason why stocks are flying necessarily than just Baba split. Because it's a lot of China stocks. It's not just Baba. Like, JD was up a lot, too. FXI, Queb, all of them. I really am not a fan of China stocks. It's not for me. I always say, why take the risk on them whenever we have so many good U.S. companies? I don't know, just my personal thought. That's why I don't like China, just because I'd rather trade the U.S. companies. But I don't know. It doesn't make them bad by any means, but I don't know. And this is exactly why I don't like China stocks. Look at this. Now, out of nowhere, Baba's just going to split into 6 groups now. Like, it's just, oh, we're splitting into 6 groups. I don't get it. So, I don't know. We'll have to maybe see as the situation goes on how exactly it's going to go. But to me, it's just not even worth it. I just throw the China stocks out the window, to be honest. I take Baba and I roll down the car window and just go, boop, toss it right out. Because it's just like, I don't know. There's just no point to me. Like, why get them whenever you could just get DraftKings or Zoom or Meta or, you know, people are like, well, China stocks are low. It's like, there's a lot of U.S. businesses low too. Even like Goog is low, or there's so many out there right now that are low, that are solid U.S. companies. Microsoft selling, Mark says. Let's see. I'm sure it is. It was really dying off earlier today in a big, big way. Yeah, there we go. Under 275. Big move to the downside. I like that. Good job, Microsoft. Looking solid. That is some solid stuff, though. $272 seems like a big support. Sorry, guys. I got a message in Discord really quick. Distracted me for a second. All right, so Juicy's looking for NIO on a quick day trade. Let's go back and eye it up because it looks like it's starting to consolidate and maybe move back up a little bit more now. Juicy, I don't know if you caught Mike's free day trade in the Discord or not, but he's looking for it above 920s, and honestly, I'm just going to stick with that because that's honestly like right around where we got this morning. Looks like a very big resistance is associated with that type of level there. So I'm going to go ahead and wait for a bigger break above 920 if it comes. If it doesn't come, I won't even touch NIO. I probably won't even touch NIO anyways. This is Mike's trade, and it's a China stock, but I feel like intraday could definitely be a good scalp, though, above like 920. I do like that as a potential play, especially if the other China stocks turn around again, like Baba and the others. That'd be nice. But for a day trade, I like them above 920. Man, NIO at $9? Didn't think I'd be saying that right now. This stock has been terrible this year. Hopefully this support holds up, or else this stock will be in a world of trouble, to say the least. A big world of trouble. Purdy has 6 SPY Iron Condors. He's up 36% so far. They expire Friday. Perfect, Purdy. Perfect. Are those... See, I saw you post some up in the Profits channel a little while ago. Thought that was cool, Purdy, last week, right? Oh, okay. Yeah, it looks like you did really well on those ones last week. Yeah, you were up like 60% there. Looked like you were almost up like $400 on those ones last week, Purdy. So solid stuff, good trades. Love hearing that with the Condors. It's a smart way to go right now. Damn, market just won't move. Why Alibaba? Oh, okay, we already said that. Fish says Boeing's green. Good old Fish. How you doing today, Fish? Thanks for joining. Wow, let's go. Xbox says BRDS was at 13 cents. Now it says 18. BRDS. Boeing, though. I like that move with Boeing. That's actually pretty good. Up above 201.50. This is a big move from last night's video. Let's go. Love this play. Fantastic. Gotta put that in the Discord. Love that move here. I love that move on Boeing. Yeah, this was definitely one of my free trades last night, I'm pretty sure. Let me go look. I'm going to go make sure real quick, but... yeah, I called this out last night. That's awesome. Let's go. One of my setups from the video last night, how we always go over a couple setups and stuff like that. Cool to see. Man, Apple. Now it does. Wow, Apple. Now we're going down under 157 in a big way. 158. Oof. Looking brutal here, guys. The puts seem like the way to go for sure. Hell yeah. All right, Spy. 395. Need to get under that as well. Man, NIO is pretty good. 922, he says. Wow, yeah, got the breakout. There we go. Look at that. Big run to the upside, starting to break the level Mike posted this morning at $9.20. So eye it up. Maybe you could see a big run here today. I don't like it quite as much as I like Meta under 200, but it's still solid. Still solid play. The China stocks are definitely going, so that could be amazing for them. Straight up amazing. Hey, if you guys are joined today, if you guys are enjoying the live stream, please smash that like button. Really, it helps us out on YouTube and everything like that. Recommends the channel out to more people and everything. So really, that helps us quite a bit. Almost more than anything, to be honest. Comments and likes really help. So let me know also your favorite stocks for today. We're also going to be eyeing up MU as we go throughout the video today. Good old Micron. They're going to be reporting earnings tonight. Sounds pretty fun. Micron earnings potentially. Sounds pretty good. Don't know how you guys feel about it, but they're going to be reporting. I'm wondering if we're going to be, anyone's looking to play it. Maybe to the upside or the downside. Looks like today they're kind of falling off with AMD and Meta and a lot of stocks like that. So, wow. Keep your eyes on Micron. MU. They're going to be having those big earnings coming up there. So keep those on the radar for tonight. We'll go over it a little bit more. Xbox goes, you know, you're like the underdog wildcard stocks that are only good for short squeeze plays. I guess so, Xbox. I sure don't want to be, but I guess if you're saying that's what it is, I guess that's what it is. But I don't know. Personally, I think people need to take more advantage of some of these great potential plays, like Boeing, for example. Seriously, amazing potential there. People just need to write it down and actually watch it, you know, the next day after that's called out, or in the day trading channel, for example, like Meta's play under 200 today. Man, like, take advantage of some of those. Like, honestly, like, I just think people just, I don't know, people just get stuck in their own world or something. Gotta start taking advantage, making some moves, you know, learning some good strategies. That's mainly the way to go. I'm a big believer in support and resistance breaks. That's like one of my favorite strategies to play. And I use a lot of price action to get in and out of those. Wildcard stocks that are only good for short squeeze plays. Well, if that's the case, Xbox, I quit. I quit. I'd talk more about shorting some puts and stuff like that, but nobody has the account size for that stuff. You know, everybody wants to know how to trade with like smaller accounts. I wish people would want to short more puts. Bubba Doo in the Discord. That guy's awesome in there. Looks awesome. Man, come on, AMD. Got to keep going down for the premium plays here. Looking good. Premium plays are looking fire right now. They've been popping off the past few days. Straight up exploding. It's been awesome. Yeah, the premium plays are fantastic. The AMD play I've been in is on fire today. Straight up fire. And it was a premium play, so of course I can't talk about it too much, but we'll just say we've played AMD and won on it a few times lately. It's been pretty fire in there. Good old SPY here, bouncing around 395. Gonna have to look for a push down, maybe a break under and below that. Good old 395 support. That's such a big level today. Really keep your eyes on 395. Maybe even set an alert if you want to be really smart so you don't miss this. Don't miss it like you missed Meta or if you missed Boeing. Set an alert at 395. If it hits it and it starts to fall under, puts. Boom. Quick 5-minute scalp, 10-minute scalp. Take a good 5 to 10%. You don't got to chase it too hard. 5 to 10%. Make it solid. Maybe cut a few contracts. Let a couple go as the day goes on. It's just going to be crucial that we continue to see big stocks falling down like Apple, Microsoft, Tesla. These stocks have to continue falling to continue to push the SPY lower. So it looks like as of now that's the case, but we'll have to see as we test 395 if that's the case as the time comes. Could maybe end up being a pretty good play there. And hey, let me know what stocks you guys are watching here. I know like Fish said Boeing was green earlier. A few others loved it. Purdy says, I can short stocks $42 and under at this point. Yeah, that's good, Purdy. Fantastic. Yeah, that's good. You already have the number brought up in your mind. And Purdy, I knew you would. You do all these iron condors and stuff like that. I'm more of talking about a lot of the other guys. I know you're already into selling a lot of options. Xbox goes, it's my dog's birthday today. He turns 5. Oh my gosh. Well, hey, I guess happy birthday to your dog, Xbox. There we go. What kind of dog is it? That's pretty cool. Turning 5. He's like in the prime of his life. Or their life. Oh, no, he said it's a he. Okay. It's in the prime of its life, Xbox. Look at that. 5 years old. Perfect. My dog turns 5. Yeah, let me know what kind it is. I'll be kind of interested. I'm interested now. CCJ. I talked about this in last night's video as well. Popping out above 24.75. Running up to 24.80. This one's not getting the breakout I hoped. It is breaking the level I said. But it's not getting the momentum I was really hoping for. It's still holding up okay for now, but the risk-reward ratio on this one's fantastic. Like, honestly, if you get CCJ right now, just place a stop loss at like 24.65 and take like a 15-cent stop and have like a reward of like $1 or something. That's an amazing risk-reward ratio. It's like 4 to 1, 5 to 1, something like that. Hell yeah, Juicy. Let's go. Happy birthday, Xbox dog. Oh, that's got me dying, Juicy. Xbox's dog. Hell yeah. Happy birthday to the dog. I love that. That is so funny. Oh, it's good. Gotta love the dogs, right? I wish I could have a dog. I'll tell you, that's one thing I wish I had growing up. One thing I wish I had. You haven't told me what it is yet. You never told us what kind it was, Xbox. Tangy says, so sad, still watching. Yeah. I'm still waiting on CCJ2, Tangy. Man, Tangy, hey, Tangy, long time no see, man. How's the UEC play? Are those plays still doing all right? I know UEC's been looking a little bit rough here, man. Especially the past 2 weeks. I hope it's doing a little bit better for you. I know you've been posting a lot about selling some puts on this and stuff, so just kind of wondering how those positions are going, Tangy. I followed a lot of those long posts on YouTube, but there were so many, you know, by now I forgot a couple of them. Oh, Xbox, growing up, I my parents were divorced, and whenever I grew up, I wasn't able to really have one. One at my mom's house. I had one at my mom's house growing up, but none at my dad's house, so that's kind of why Xbox. Right now, I'm just kind of waiting to move, and then I'll get one. Oh, he answered too. He says it's a oh nice Catahoula, whatever that is. Catahoula leopard dog and German Shepherd mix. Very cool, Xbox. Sounds like a cool dog. Let's look it up. Catahoula leopard dog. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, wow. This thing looks like some type of like... It looks like a lab in its face. But it looks different in its body. Huh. Pretty cool. So Catahoula... wow, they mix them with pits a lot too, I guess. German Shepherd mix. Let's see what that looks like. Wow. Beautiful dog. I bet its eyes look beautiful. Okay, so those are the dogs with the crazy eyes. I see. Some of them, anyways. It's a pretty looking dog. Man, I would love a dog like that. I love bigger dogs, so I would love that. I do like German Shepherds. What are those other ones called? Belgian Malinois, right? That's it. Belgian Malinois. I like these ones too. This is gonna be me. With the Belgian Malinois. Xbox, I'm gonna do this with mine. I know Xbox is into that. He's always asking me about the calibers and stuff like that. Tangy says, I've been exploiting the price action. That's good. That's good, Tangy. So he's hurting on the UEC, but he's been exploiting the price action to make some extra money, so that's good to see. Good to hear as well. He says FLUX, 4 touches right around 545 over the last week. 4 touches right around 545. Very interesting stock. Flux Power. What do these guys even do? Flux Power stock. See what they have to say. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Did I just see a picture of this stock with a graphics card? Is Flux Power Holdings a winner in the electrical equipment and parts industry? You're kidding me. They have something to do with graphics cards? Really? What do they do? This is the dumbest website in the entire world. This is the dumbest article I've ever seen. Go cancel this website. Investor Observer. What the? That's the stupidest article I've ever seen. Alright. So they engage in the Design, development, and sale of rechargeable lithium-ion energy storage systems for industrial applications. Focuses on electric forklifts and airport ground support equipment. So nothing to do with graphics cards. Don't know why they put that out there at all with the picture of that. This article is terrible, and I'm never going to Investors Observer ever again as a website, so... Xbox says, why not? You know, you could get some good picks. That is true, Xbox. Didn't think about that, but it is true. Purdy says, my German short-haired pointer, nice, turned 5 on March 25th. Very nice. She's a black and white collar rather than the usual brown. German short-hair pointer. Let's see, German short-hair pointer, and he says it's black and white. Oh, wow. This is a duck dog. Purdy, you use this for going duck hunting. Don't you lie. You going out here hunting them ducks? I know you is out here hunting them now. No, I'm just kidding, guys. That's funny. Really though, I'd be that's pretty cool though if you're seriously out there hunting them. Not bad. That's the dog they use for it. I hate to say it. Oh, look, there's a picture. Perfect. That's a beautiful dog, Purdy. Wow. Man, those things are beautiful. I love that type of dog. That's awesome. You might be turning me on to a new dog here. The dog that was at my mom's house growing up was a black lab Rottweiler mix. And I really like that dog a lot too. Black lab and Rottweiler. It kind of looked like this dog a little bit, but wow, beautiful dogs. You guys have some pretty dogs out there, guys. Yeah, that dog is definitely built for hunting. 100%. Oh, she's 50 pounds, so medium. Yeah, that is kind of medium. My black lab Rottweiler was like 60 or 70. His name's Tiger. Wow. He says Tiger's about 80 pounds, but should be around 65 pounds. That's funny. Yeah, that's definitely a hunting dog, though, like Gengar said. Nice. Keisha grew up with a German Shepherd Rottweiler mix. Had him for 16 years. Wow, Keisha, that's awesome. Yeah, I love those dogs. That's awesome, guys. I'll be honest, I'm not a big small dog person. Like, I'm not really into like any of the French bulldogs or those like yappy white dogs. I'm not really into that too much. I do like some small dogs like Chihuahuas or something like that. Small, let me look it up. Small white yappy dog. Here we go. I don't like this. This ain't for me. All right, this kind? Nah. I'm good if it's that. I'll take this though. I'll take one of these. That's pretty funny. Honestly though, I just go with one of those ones like you guys said. I think Keisha's German Shepherd Rottweiler mix is kind of opening my eyes. That's funny, but all right. Gotta get back into the stocks, guys. Gotta get back into the stocks. Hey, I'm glad you guys all like talking about the dogs, though. I mean, that's awesome. It's awesome. It seems like you guys love that. More than the stocks, even, it seems like. So that's awesome. Very high energy. Needs daily walks and excessive, or else your house will be destroyed. Uh-oh. Oh, no, Party. Yeah, so what you're saying is I need to have some land, and I need to let it run around. I see. BA broke 205, though, Fish said. Thank you, Fish. Wow, 205. Look at Boeing, guys. Ever since it broke this morning, it's just been on an explosion. Holy crap. Ha! I didn't say it, Keisha. I didn't say it. No, nothing's going in the swear jar today. Wow. Yeah, let's buy some Chewy stock for the dogs. I'm with you. Juicy, I'm not gonna lie. That's part of the reason why I like Chewy. That's no joke why I love Chewy. Jack Russell Terrier. Let's see what that is. Jack Russell Terrier. Hey, that's a pretty cool small dog too. That looks nice. Yeah. I've seen a lot of these dogs over the years. Yeah, those are kind of cool. Just depends, I guess, how it was bred on how much the Terrier or the Russell comes out in its face, but yeah, it looks like a nice, cool dog. A small one again, but not like that white one. All right, getting back into the stocks today. Boeing has been fantastic. I can't even believe it. It's been running up that much. Tangy had a pit boxer mix. She lived to be 23. No way that thing lived to be 23, Tangy. Wow. That is a long-lived big dog. Dang, Tangy, what the hell were you feeding that thing? 23 years old. Says, why is F running, though? Good old Ford. Ford. It's running a little. I wouldn't really count this as like a big run, but let's check the news. Maybe there's something in there. Yeah, I don't see anything. Yeah, I don't see anything, unfortunately, here. Yeah. I don't see anything with them today. We are getting a good support balance at 365, though, on the SPY, which is good to see. That's nice to see there. Still holding 395 holds up. That's so weird. We ran right up into that resistance level I had from yesterday, too. At 396.50 or... I didn't even have it there. I had it at like 396.45, and it ended up touching that perfectly, which is weird. Pretty weird. Don't be making fun of Ford, Tangy. Yeah. This stock has been brutal the past 10 years or so. It's like, Jesus. They should have took GM's bailout money. They should have taken the bailout money when they were asked. Whoa, scammer just posted in the Discord here. Are you kidding me? Get out of here. What are they doing coming in here posting? That's crazy. They just come in and post their WhatsApp link just randomly in there. Always watch out for those scammers out there, guys. Always watch out for the scammers. Gets kind of scary out there. I know it seems like common sense, right? Like, you would think like, oh, well, obviously I'm not going to join this scammers thing and start doing it. But people have actually fallen for it. I hate to say it, but I get messages sometimes and they'll say, Tom, Mike messaged me and said that, you know, I paid to join the WhatsApp group. What's up? And I'm like, WhatsApp group? What are you talking about? And they're like, they send me all these screenshots and I'm like, yeah, that wasn't Mike. And the guy didn't even speak good English, but I guess you fell for it. It is what it is, I guess, but it sucks, you know? It's like, what do you do? Like, how do you... They gotta fix it. They gotta get it fixed somehow. I'm telling you, they gotta fix it. Gotta fix it. Well, what we will say is that the premium portion of the Discord, the SM chat, now that won't have any scammers in it, but the discussion chat, if you want to keep it public, it's gonna always have some unless you do something like Twitter verified or something. Jamie says, I have a dog like that Jack Russell Terrier. Nice, Jamie. That's awesome. Yeah, hey, Snowy. Yeah, we have a live every single morning at open. So if you're enjoying it, smash that like and subscribe. Also hit that little bell notification icon there. You'll get notified every single day that we go live, so that'll be awesome. But we go live every morning at Market Open, so we'll always be here. Thanks for joining up, Snowy. And I actually am going to put up a poll here about Micron today. And MU reports earnings tonight. Which way do you think that it's going to move? End up moving. Moving up. Fall down. Stay the same. All right, let's see how you guys think MU's gonna go. I just sent the poll out, so check it out. Vote up. Let's get some votes on this. Should be nice and fun here today. Also, smash the like button for anyone who hasn't hit it yet. Appreciate you. Angie says TPR. What is that? TPR. Tapestry Incorporated. I've never heard of this one. TPR. Tapestry. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. I've never heard of this, so I don't know what they do. But their stock is flying up today, and they're heading up into a major, and I mean major, area of resistance around 42 to 43. That is huge there. Huge. Tangi actually sold all of his MU. Might play it post-earnings. That's awesome, Tangi. That's actually the smart way. I'm sure some people are looking to buy it on a gamble for tonight, though. I don't really recommend playing the earnings, but with only having one, really in my opinion, only having like one good earnings report this week, being tonight, sometimes I might gamble on it sometimes, but I'm with Tangi. I think it's kind of rough. Juicy says, is the bot down again? Tangi, I'm actually not sure. I've been live all morning and I haven't really had a chance to eye it up too much yet. It was supposed to have been working today, Tangi, so yeah, it was supposed to have been working. I think it might still just be waiting, maybe? Maybe? I don't want to give you a 100% certain answer that it's fixed yet. Because I'm sure it is, but it's one of those situations where, you know, the code could have had an error or something this morning. It definitely could have. There's a lot of weird things going on with daylight savings time. A few weeks ago, screwed some stuff up in the code, and there's been a lot of stuff going on in the stock market lately that has been also affecting a lot of code and stuff like that. I don't think so, though. Lock in the profits, Tangi says. He says, you mean Juicy. Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, you knew who I meant, so. Who I was addressing there. That's good, at least. Party said they used to be part of a training group that really had the members pick a random stock on Mondays and have a contest to see whose stock did the best by Fridays. Usually people would put $5 into a pool. That actually sounds kind of fun, Purdy, no lie. And the winner at the end of the week takes all the money. I'm not gonna lie, Purdy, that actually sounds kind of fun. Actually sounds kind of cool. Purdy, that's actually not a bad idea. Man, that sounds fun. Maybe get that going, Purdy. Maybe I'll think about that. That sounds pretty fun. I'll do it with an option. I'll do random options. How about that? They have to expire with that week, though. That'll be the trick. That'll be the trick. The option has to expire that week. That'll be a fun one. Man, Spy's just gonna stay right within the range. Come on now, Spy. Don't be doing that. Don't be doing that. Tangy said all the rich people consumer product stocks are moving. Let's see. What are those? What do you count as those, Tangy? Does Square count as that? I wouldn't think so. What about does Boeing count? To buy a Boeing, you have to be really rich. I'm just kidding. I really am curious which type of, like, give me just a little list of the stocks you mean there. So I can be sure there. All good, Purdy. It sounded like it worked up well, or like it worked well, but that's a really cool thing that you said there, actually. I'm thinking about that. That's not a bad idea. I like that. Could be really fun, I think. Purdy. Wow. All right. Going back to the Boeing, though, I hope they're moving up still. Looks like they're starting to slowly but surely fall back off here. Is Meta still trading under 200? Nope. Came right back up. It had a big drop, though, initially. That was a good, quick scalp play, but we ripped right back up, kind of like on Monday, guys. Kind of like yesterday. You know, the stock dipped down at open and then ripped way back up, got rejected, and then fell again. It's almost like what's happening today. Like, we dipped down, we ran back up, now we're starting to reject again. It's like, and the SPY's doing the same thing. It's like, come on, get a better move here. All right, so Tangy said it's like RH, Restoration Hardware, WSM, TPR. Okay, I see. TPR. We could even maybe say Lulu, right? Lululemon, Lulu. I don't know if this counts. I would say it does, though, given how much their stupid crap costs. I'm not against Lulu, but I don't know. That's terrible. I bought some stuff from a company called Fabletics. Let's go look at it. Fabletics. Now, I think these things are way... These clothes are way more bang for the buck. It's the same type of thing as Lulu pants, but it's like... it's the same thing as like Lulu stuff, just... Obviously, they're not like $100. So, like, if you pay like $20 a month or whatever for their VIP membership, the shorts are only like $10 a pop or something. It's kind of insane, but I think they get you with the membership thing. Maybe. I only bought from them one time, but all right, $8 holding up on Palantir here. Maybe this could be a pretty good little support bounce. Might not be bad. Could be good. Tangy also said TXT. Let's see. What's that one? Textron. What do they do? Textron. Like, what do they even sell? I've never even heard of this stock, I don't think. Textron Business. Oh, they sell jets. Ah. That's like, now that's the Boeing for rich people. I see. Huh. Interesting. Do you guys want to buy one of these with me? We could go in on a private jet together. What am I doing? Let's go in on a private jet and then we'll fly all over the place. I'm just kidding. Oh, they own Bell helicopters. I see. Yeah, all I saw was the planes really on there at first, but... Juice15 says, thoughts on CCL or Carnival Cruise Lines? I will say CCL's running up again today in a major way, so I kind of like CCL, RCL. I like these kinds of stocks. They're having pretty good days here, and they're down around big support levels as well, which makes me like them even more. So I like CCL. I think it could end up being a pretty good play, and overall, I like it to the upside, and there's even a big money play in on this one till June. Let me check and see if they're still in, or if I can tell. May, June. It's the 5 strike calls. Or is that puts? No, it's calls. Weird. I guess they got out. Looks like they already got out of these. So they entered this back on this circle that I'm putting up here. In this blue circle, they entered into this play on CCL. So I don't blame them. They probably sold once it got up here somewhere around the top. You know, they probably sold up there. So makes a lot of sense given their strike and expiration and all that. But oh, it was out to June of 2024. Oh, that's why. I actually just looked at the wrong... I looked at the wrong ticker. Hang on, now I gotta put it back. I was looking at June of this year. Hang on. That's what happened. Yeah, I forgot the dollar amount now, but I'll go back and get it later. Pretty good, though. CCL 5 strike calls. Yeah, it looks like they're still in this one. Okay. Makes sense. Makes sense, given... I was going to say, I couldn't believe they sold already, but it did go up a lot for them, but... Another big money play strikes again. You could call it the stocked up wheel. Everyone who puts in $5 gets on the wheel and spin the wheel to see who gets to pick their stock first. That's true, Purdy. That'd be a good way to do it, I guess. It would be a little bit hard with how many people, but I don't know, not bad. I will say I appreciate you guys joining up today. I really do. Each and every one of you made the stream a better place today. Even the lurkers out there. You even made the stream a better place because by you being here, you helped push us on the YouTube algo and all that type of stuff. So seriously, thank all of you guys for joining up. Thank you, Keisha, Xbox, Purdy, Tangy, Juice. These names here are making me thirsty. We got Juice, Tangy, Snowy, thanks for joining up. Hopefully we see you back here. Fish, thanks for having us here today. Gengar, Jamie, of course, Bill, Patrick Miller, there we go. He's out here lurking. Mark, thanks for joining. But yeah, I think I got everybody. So really though, thank you guys for joining up. It's always a fun time here with you guys. Keisha said she long Carnival yesterday. Good thing you did, Keisha. It looks pretty fire. Hopefully you didn't do it first thing in the morning, but it looks pretty good, at least right now. Looking fire. Hopefully you longed it yesterday afternoon. Had some fun talk today about the dogs and everything like that as well. And hey, Juicy Mango, there's the sniper bot coming out. just like we thought it would be going good today. So there we go. There we go. Code is fixed. Appreciate you guys for sticking with us through that as well. We know that that's always, you know, it's never fun whenever an error like that happens, but seriously, thank you guys for understanding. And, you know, it's one of those things that unfortunately with technology does happen sometimes. Even Thinkorswim goes down every once in a while, so it's pretty weird, but hey, have a great day. Let's keep up the good movement with CCL. It's about to break the high of day here as I'm talking. So have a great rest of your day. Let's go. Let's keep up the amazing momentum. Some of these plays like the oil stocks are running. Some tech stocks like Square look good. So let's go. Have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you guys in the Discord. See you later.